and out of line. That conduct resulted in the murder and death of an innocent 15-year-old child.
Is he a police officer protecting a fellow cop or the murderer of a teenager? The case against former Balch Springs officer Roy Oliver began today in front of a jury.
We've got our Steve Pickett, who has spent the day in court, stepping out now for us at the Crowley Courts building in Dallas to give us an update. Steve?
Yeah, day one for the jurors is done now, Doug. The top elected law enforcement officer in this county and her lieutenants, the district attorney, going into court today and calling this former police officer, Roy Oliver, a murderer. And the primary evidence they used today, his body cam video, saying that evidence indicates there was no reason for him to open fire at a car filled with kids.
This man, Roy Durwood Oliver, murdered, shot in the back of the head, an innocent kid.
A jury of 7 women and 5 men receiving the opening statement from Chief Prosecutor Mike Snipes. A Balch Springs police officer, defendant Roy Oliver, Snipes said, fired 5 rounds into a car crowded with teenagers in April of 2017. 15-year-old Jordan Edwards was murdered, Snipes said.
Defendant Roy Oliver was angry. He was out of control. He was dangerous. He was stomping up and down the road. He was trigger happy.
Prosecutors showed the body cam video belonging to the now fired Balch Springs officer. More than 200 teenagers attending a house party, including Jordan Edwards and his brothers. Officer Tyler Gross testified he tried to stop a car with Jordan and the others after hearing gunshots outside that party, when Oliver grabbed his semi-automatic rifle and started shooting.
I was not in fear at that point.
Dallas District Attorney Faith Johnson making her first appearance in this case, questioning Jordan Edwards' mother. Charmaine Edwards testifying she knew nothing about her son being shot until a phone call came. Attorneys for Roy Oliver today making no opening statement on this first day, and the only words you heard from the former Balch Springs officer is his response from the judge asking innocent or guilt. He said not guilty. Day 2 continues for this jury, this very high-profile trial. Reporting live, Steve Pickett, CBS 11 News.